The global economy outlook is under the radar as consequences of the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict seem to have a ripple effect on the various facets of the global economy. This is reflected in a surge in crude prices, which is likely to push inflation even further. The fallout of Israel-Hamas war on the global economy may take time to become clear, but would become more severe if the conflict spreads to the rest of the Middle East, especially Iran, which is both a major oil producer and supporter of Hamas. Let us understand the impact of Israel-Hamas war on global economy and markets. Oil prices boiled. Crude oil prices surged sharply on Monday as the tensions escalated in the Middle East, home to almost a third of global oil supply. Inflation. As the crude oil price surges, the threat of high inflation grasps the global economy again. The United States, India, China and other major economies are big importers of oil and can see high imported inflation if the oil prices remain elevated. India-Israel trade. There is no immediate impact seen in India's trade with Israel due to the conflict in West Asia. However, it can create supply-side problems if the conflict escalates. Global markets. The Israel-Hamas war has spooked equity markets all over, with investors shifting towards safe haven assets. Investors remained cautious and watchful of the global events, with risk of sentiment grappling the market. The global economy, already rattled by elevated inflation, is now facing another geopolitical crisis in the Middle East, after the surprise attack of Hamas on Israel and subsequent declaration of war by the latter.